Hello guys! Ang atong i-paint karon is sunset at Burj Khalifa. We are using acrylic paint and at the end I had retouch with using oil paint. Mix yellow and red to achieve orangey color. Kani nga painting request ni sa akong igagaw last year pa when I started painting. Sunset daw sa Burj Khalifa. Any style basta sunset siya sa Burj Khalifa. And then karon nakita nako nga iyang birthday. So I feel guilty nga it takes 1 year, almost 1 year and a half for me to do her request. So ako siyang gibuhat karon bisag busy ko. Daghan mapaman mga commission and request orders, but this one I have to do it for her. So we already applied the yellow in the middle and I use a round brush to blend it. Smudge lang, and then you have to blend the kanang iyang like the horizon part, blend it so it will form like a cloudy form, yan, like that. Slightly mixed the colors, the orange and reddish and yellowish. I added dark orange here. So our background is done. We will let it dry for like 5 minutes. I think I need to add some purplish color in the sky, so and I drop blue ink to achieve a purple, medyo purple na color to add in the sky, like a slightly dark purple color. As you have noticed, I am fond of adding paint on the edge of the canvas, especially if it is a landscape. Here I'm adding the base for my sunset before I will add the buildings. Mugamit tag black nga paint for the buildings. In this part, I'm working out the sea. I'm really fond of doing a painting like there's a reflection on it. How about you guys? What is your favorite scene to paint? Adding highlights using oil paint in the sun and in the reflection sa ocean. So guys, it's almost finished. I call it done. I hope guys you like it, my sunset at Burj Khalifa. Thanks for watching guys. See you at my next video.